Hi, I'm Alan Chan. I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on Blender Flip Normal. Uh, you first of all, um, uh, my my Flip Normal is inverted by accident from extruding kind of inside out to get the indoor room and outdoor room. You click this icon, face orientation, and sometimes you flip left and right, but duplicate and rise and invert inside out to get left to right or something, or indoor outdoor. You get this problem, and to prove it to you what it looks like is by exporting it to Unity. You get the same problem afterwards. Uh, it's inside out. See, you can see the spiral staircase inside out. That's the problem. So you flip it inside out. Go click again. Um, just hide everything. For example, this one, then um, since it's everywhere, kind of everywhere. Um, just hide all the stairs and get this sample for a sec. You don't need to select all the faces individually. But click this object mode, edit. Um, you don't need to select this face individually, just because since it's everywhere down here, I inverted everywhere while indoor and outdoor by extruding it while 3D modeling it. What you do is hit here, so everything, including indoor and outdoor, so you look through it. So mesh, normals, flip, so it become blue after seeing it, servicing it. So it's blue, so you fixed it. So thank you. That's how I fix it.